Hello everyone. Now today we'll be discussing about how to simulate the thread cutting, grooving and turning operation in a Swansoft Panuk OIT software. Okay. Now go to open the Swansoft CNC simulation, select the Panuk OIT, run. See, this is the figure for to develop a part program for the thread cutting G76 and the grooving G75 operation and simulate using the G71 rough turning and G70 finish turning cycle. See, this is the component. This is 100 mm diameter and 200 mm length. Here the steps will be coming under diameter 32 and diameter 62 with the thread cutting M70 to 2. You see, this all the dimensions will be given approximately as per the thread cutting. Right, let's now go to how to write the CNC program. This is already to write the written the CNC program, but how to execute in the Swansoft. Okay, let's now go to Swansoft is open here. The first step is release the emergency button and unlock the key. Next, reference button X and Z. Let's now go to workpiece setting. The second step is workpiece setting. Go to stock size. The diameter is 100 mm and the length is 200 mm. Replace the workpiece stick ಮಾಡಿ just OK ಕೊಡಿ. Right, next now go to the tool setting operation. Tool setting, the second step is tool. See here the three tools will be using. Here the first tool, the T0101, this is a turning tool. T0202 is the grooving tool. T0303 is the thread cutting tool. Right, the three tools will be adding to the automatic tool turret and set the tool offsets. Right, let's now go to select the first tool number 1. This is the turning tool. Add the tool turret, tool station 1, and again you will be select the tool magazines tool 1 and mount the tool. OK. Here let's now go to the jog mode. Let's go to the machine operation. The first will take the rapid position. Select this one. OK. Let's now go to the jog mode. Offset setting. In the control panel, you select the offset. Go to geometric. Go to geometric. Here do the tool number 1 using for the G001, next G002 and G03. In this respect, the three tools will be using on these three offset values. Right. Now first tool will be using here the X is 0, X0 major. This comes to the Z, here Z0 major. Right, then after will be go to machine operation, rapid position. Once again will be select here. OK. Then after will go to reference point X and Z. Right, next once again will be go to the tool setting, tool management. Select the grooving tool. The second tool will be second for the grooving tool. Will be heading to the tool turret station 2. See, select this one and mount it to OK. Then once again will be go to machine operation, the rapid position. Select this one. OK. Then go to the jog mode, offset setting. Here the offset, geometric. Now let's come into the tool number 2, like that. Here the X0 major, come to the Z, Z0 major. Let's go to the machine operation, rapid position. Select this one. OK. Here the actual position will be get the 0. That's why is the reference value the X and Z. Right, next go to the tool setting 3, tool number 3. Let's go to the thread cutting tool. So here the tool number 5, that is the thread cutting tool. Add the tool turret 3. Select this one, mount it to OK. Then go to the machine operation, the rapid position, select this point. Okay, let's go to the jog mode, offset setting, the offset geometric. Here to coming to the tool number 3, right, the x0 measure, z0 measure. Then after we go to the machine operation, the rapid position, select this one. Okay, go to reference point x z. Right, this is all the steps will be clear. Let's now go to the program edit operation. Means program edit or recall the program. See here, let's see, this is the program for this operation O0113. This is a program for the thread cutting operation, is already written here. Means see, the same program will be written here, will be copied and select the thread cutting grooving.cnc. See, this program is already registered in the system, my system. That's why let's go to the edit option, program, directory. Here the program number O0113 is already registered, so that O0113 number is entered and the cursor down button will be clicked here. See, this is the program is already in the system, that's why the program is coming. Okay, then after will be check the tool paths, select the 2D. See here, then start the cycle. Auto will be start the cycle. Machine door is closed. Let's start the here the second tool is the groove cutting is progressing. Then after the groove cutting will become to the thread cutting operation. See, this thread cutting values is approximately given. Okay, it's not for the calculations. Right, see, this is the thread cutting, the grooving operation is finished. Okay, thank you.